the LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL SIGNA for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new budget smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $79.99. So yeah, so this is a budget phone. It's available in black and you have 16 gigabytes of storage. So there's the phone there in front of you. I do like the wallpaper right here. Pretty nice wallpaper right there. So in front of the phone, you will have your earpiece, front-facing camera, power and volume keys will be on the right side of the phone. On the back of the TCL SIGNA, you do have a single rear camera, camera-face TCL logo, Verizon logo, and your speaker on the back. There it is on the left side. You do have a, I'm guessing that is your that is a convenience key, I guess, and you have your SIM and micro SD card slot on the left side of the phone there. There's the right side, like I said, power and volume keys. So yeah. So the TCL SIGNA has 14 days of standby time, 29 hours of usage time, 8 megapixel rear camera, 0.37 inches in width, and 5.76 inches in height there. So as I said, meet the TCL SIGNA Prepaid, a smartphone created for everyone. Send messages, play games, and view videos with ease on the 5.5-inch HD Plus full view display. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and 3000 mAh battery keeps you connected even the busiest days. Snap pics and record video easily with the rear and front cameras. Navigate your phone and complete tasks using just your voice. Thanks to a dedicated Google Assistant button on the left side of the phone. So that's what that button is on the left edge of your Google Assistant key. The TCL SIGNA Prepaid lets you manage your digital engagement by setting timers, sounds on, notifications on, setting out parental controls. Verizon's flexible prepaid plans give you the freedom to pay for what you want when you want it. Freedom from your contracts, activation fees, and credit checks. So that is nice, easy on the eyes. So surf the web, text, watch videos, and play games on the vibrant 5.5-inch HD Plus full view display. Built-in eye care modes like adaptive brightness, night light, and dark mode helps protect your eyes from visual fatigue, creating a comfortable viewing experience. So that is nice. Efficient performance. Tackle those long busy days with confidence thanks to 3000 mAh battery with battery saver mode. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor makes it easy to jump between programs and Android 10 OS. Recommends actions, responses, and other intuitive gestures for efficiency. Plus, Face Unlock is a fast and secure way to access your phone in a pinch. Your dedicated assistant. TCL SIGNA Prepaid features a dedicated Google Assistant button so you can get things done and find answers on the go faster and easier. Use the side button on your phone. Use the side button on your smartphone to make calls, get directions, and send text with just your voice. Capture the moment. Easily capture any moment with the 8 megapixel rear camera created to record high definition video and use the 5 megapixel selfie camera to snap impromptu pics But you're in a photographer shine with Pro mode, which lets you control the manual setting like shutter speed and focus to create unique works of art. So that's nice. Customize engagements. Manage your digital interactions with a digital well-being dashboard. Set timers on your apps. Silence notifications and set up parental controls to work for your lifestyle. So that's pretty cool. So specs on here are not that great, but you are getting what you pay for here. You will have XLTE, doubling the R4G LTE bandwidth and cities from coast to coast. It also has LTE advanced, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 40 PCs from coast to coast. Mobile device which works in over 200 countries. 14 days of standby time, 29 hours of usage, top 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. The width is 0.37 inches. The height is 5.76 inches. The width is 2.80 inches. The height is 5.76 inches, and the depth is 0.37 inches. Right. And the frame weight is 5.64 ounces. 3000 mAh battery, Android 10, which is good. Micro SD card up to 256 gigs, 60 watts of RAM, and 2 gigabytes of RAM. This is hard ratings network, Snapdragon 429 quad core at 1.9 gigahertz, Wi-Fi 82.11 BGN AC, Wi-Fi direct and dual band Wi-Fi, voice assistant, Google Assistant with dedicated side key on the left side of the phone. Also, it does have HD voice, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. You guys need help with your TCL SIGNA smartphone. Verizon has you covered with that. Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's nice. So what you guys get in the box is nothing special, of course. You won't get the TCL SIGNA prepaid smartphone, 4G LTE SIM card installed, 3000 mAh battery. You'll get a Type-C charger, which is nice. Some ejection tool and Verizon brochures. So yeah. So do you guys have the TCL SIGNA available at Verizon Wireless on prepaid for $99.99? So this is a budget smartphone. This would be a great phone for a kid or whatever, a backup phone or whatever. Specs in here are not great. It does have Android 10, which is nice. Yeah. So this is a budget phone. So you did get what you pay for here. So do you guys have the TCL SIGNA on Verizon Prepaid? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Bless my out. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.